The biggest impact which Monash Infrastructure has is in trying to tackle these great big problems we have. Monash Infrastructure is a very exciting new development at Monash University.
Monash Infrastructure is a virtual research institute across whole Monash University.
It brings together some of the best minds from each of the different disciplines to work together to try and tackle some of the biggest challenges we have in science and technology and engineering.
So we are getting teams that come from social science, business economics, architecture and design, information technologies, and of course engineering. So these teams are trying together to tackle important problems that infrastructure face. We then try to connect them with industry and government.
Australia has a great deficit in terms of infrastructure investment. Something of the order of $700 billion is the current thinking. At the moment, we've got about 1.6% of national GDP being put into this, which is some of the highest numbers in the OECD.
So sometimes it's just making that connection and telling them about our existing research, and sometimes it's actually filling the gaps and expanding and doing more research in the areas that they want.
One of the great areas we've been very successful is bringing together PhD students in groups to work with industry on major challenges that they have. We are training some of the world's leading researchers to PhD type levels, and they're all looking for work. And the idea of training those with the problems they have in industry makes for a fantastically skillful employing base.
Monash Infrastructure will try to engage with government and industry in such a way that what we do, what we develop here gets adopted in practice.
What's exciting about it is just how far we can go with these things. We've already had a lot of runs on the board with very successful projects.
Whether they are about planning or they're about pure technical solutions or they're about social science solutions, what we want to do, we want to actually inform policies to deliver better infrastructure for people.